Hello students, good morning. Here I am Mrs. Tanya. Now class 11th students, I just wanted to tell you about the book and syllabus as well as the question paper format. As you all are in class 11, soon you will give your exams and all that thing. You should be clear with the pattern. Now see, first for drama you have the book The Tempest of Morning Star of Xavier Pinto. Okay, this is your textbook, what you have to follow. For story you have to follow Eco's collection of ISC short stories, and this is for poem, the collection of ISC poems. Okay, so these three books are of literature. Language you all know, that is Total English book that you are following from class 9th onwards. Same way it is for 11th and 12th. Now next is the chapters which will come in class 11th overall. From Tempest there will be you can see Act 1, Act 2 and Act 3. We have to study these three acts. From prose we have to study Salvatore, Fritz, Quality, Chinese Statue, the Gorilla in the Guest Room. Okay, now for first unit test we have to do Act 1 and then Salvatore. Poetry we have to do the Dolphins, that we have already done. Gift of India, John Brown, Desiderata, Spider and the Fly. So these 5 poetries, 5 prose and 3 act of Tempest are your portion of class 11. The remaining chapters of it you will do in class 12. So this portion you should keep with you. Either you take the screenshot of it or you write it down. This is the set of your portion for class 11. Now let us see the question paper format of English language. I have just taken out the specimen of it and just want to tell you the marks. Just focus on the marks, the pattern that way. As this year the thing has been changed. Now before it was of 100 marks, English 1 and English 2 paper. Now it is of 80 marks. Now see, English paper 1 language 80 marks, 3 hours paper. Now from class 11 you have to give all the papers for 3 hours. First is composition, that is of 20 marks. Write a composition on any one. You will have 6 topics, okay, of essays. You have to, now this time no picture composition. Class 10th you have done picture composition. Now this time instead of picture composition you will have a reflective essay. You can see the D1, that is given photograph. That means a reflective essay means one topic will be given to you. Related to that you have to write the essay. You can write the view over it, you can write an incident, you can write your any kind of story you can present, whatever related to this particular topic. Okay, remaining topics as you have done in class 10, same way, narrative essay, argumental essay. Okay, story writing, like written no F1, write an original story beginning with or ending with, whatever, same way. Only instead of picture composition it has come reflective essay, that I have shown you in question number D. Okay, remaining the essays are same way of 20 marks. You have to write 400 to 450 words. So this is of 20 marks. Now next question number 2 is, you can see, that is report writing and proposal writing. You have to study over this. I'll teach you. Now first is report writing, that is of 15 marks. B1 is proposal. These two things are there that you have to focus. Report writing, you can also call it directed writing. They are different, like in class 10th you were doing letter writing and all. Now 11, 12 no letter writing and all. Here direct writing. Direct writing includes report writing. Report writing means newspaper report, magazine report, article. Okay, then you have personal profile, statement of purpose, book review, film review. These all comes in directed writing. Means from this any one question will come in question 2A, that is of 15 marks, that we will teach you. Okay, out of that whatever comes, that you have to write. Question B is proposal. Proposal means that is a proposal written for the accomplishment of any work. Okay, you have to write like an example, can we write a proposal to the principal of your school to open or to start an English club. Okay, so in that proposal you have to write the heading, objectives, measures to be taken, all these things you have to write. So this way proposal, that too you will study here. For you now it is a new thing, but later on you will be easily going through it. So directed writing 15 marks, proposal 10 marks. Now question 3 same grammar part. Grammar part, now what is coming first is this one, that is transformation. That is all the like 5 questions will be given of 5 marks. Okay, then there will be proposal, like appropriate word, suitable word, as you were doing in class 10, same way it will be of 5 marks. Okay, and then there will be C1, that is fill in the blanks with that is correct form of verb. The passage will be given, that will be also of 5 marks. So this B and C will be 10 questions, and you have to do all, which will contain half marks each. And the first one, as you can see, it is 5 questions of 5 marks each. Okay, fourth one is comprehension. As you have done in class 9-10, comprehension, unseen passage, same way the passage will be given. Okay, but little slight difference what you have to do is, after the passage you will get the word meaning, same thing. 3 words will be given, you have to choose the appropriate word from the passage and write down. And second one, you can see again 3 words are given, there you have to write the meaning, not the meaning of this word what is given in the passage. Like here given kind, now just for example, a word given bank. Okay, now in the passage the bank meaning will be river bank, but you have to write the sentence of the bank where you deposit money. You have studied homophones and all, where same word with do different meaning. Same way you will not make the sentence with the meaning of the word given in the passage, but you will make the sentence with another word, with another meaning of that same word. So this one new extra is given. Next is what question answer that you used to do. Then here C1 is, you remember in class 10th you have done 50 words grid pattern. Here you not have to do 50 words, you have to do 100 words. Okay, same thing from a paragraph, from para 2 to 10, from para 10 to 15, you have to see the incident, and according to that you have to write the grid pattern. It will be of 100 words. Okay, 100 words means you have to make the column and row of 5 and 20. 5 to the 10 means 100 words. Okay, 5 and 20, no other format, 10, 10, nothing like that. Only 5 and 20 format you have to make, and you have to write down. So this is the question pattern of language. You can see the marks also here. You can keep the video, you can take the screenshots, you can write it down. The pattern, the same question paper pattern, same pattern will come in your exam. This is of language. Now see of literature. Literature pattern, you will see that is, you have 3 books as I told you, Tempest, Ecos and Poetry Reverie. So out of this 3 books, what you have to do, the questions will come from all. And here what you have to focus is, you will, like many other schools are following other books also. So from there also the question can come. But you have to only attempt the questions of your book. What you are studying, that book questions you have to attempt it. Okay, so you are studying 3, that is Tempest, Ecos and Poetry, prose and poetry. Now here also paper is of 80 marks. Now from Tempest you will get 3 extract. Okay, A extract, that will have 6 questions. Okay, then you will get another extract of Tempest, B and C. Okay, this all will contain the questions, that will be of 20 marks, section A. And here it is given, choose any 2 passage. Any 2 passage you have to do, means 2 extracts. You have 3 questions, 3 extracts will be given, you have to do any 2. After this, what you have to do, after this extract there will be only long question. So remember children, now in section A only extract based question you are going to get from Tempest, but no extract based question you are going to get from Ecos and Reverie. Okay, from both the book you are going to get the long answer question. Now from Tempest also, Ecos also and Reverie also. Okay, now from Tempest you will get another long question, 2 long question. One will be of 555, in 15 marks each question, 555. Okay, that will be like a reference to context one, and one will be lengthy one. Ecos also same thing, you will get 3 questions, three question from prose, and again you can see 3 questions from poetry. Each question carries 15 marks. So one question from each section will be like reference to context, like you can see poetry, you can see reference to the poem Darkling Thrush. Then 3 sub part questions are given, 5 marks. Okay, you can either do this, or you can do the direct 15 marks long question, that is a long way essay kind of question that you can do. Okay, so this way you have to go through the questions, that is you have to follow it, and this is the pattern that you have to go through. Okay, so these are the question that is of 80 marks. So remember, from section A you have to do any 2 passage, then from section B you have to do, from each section you have to do one question, one from Tempest, one from Ecos, and one from Reverie, and then you have to do any, means altogether 4 questions, then any one from any of the 3. Total 4 questions from section B, 2 questions from section A, and 4 questions from section B. So total how many questions? 6 questions you have to do it. I hope you understood. So if any doubt you can ask. Thank you.